Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, and we are finishing up Rosemary Week. Here's our fourth and final video on different kinds of rosemaries. We looked at different rosemaries for cooking in containers and slopes. Today we're gonna go big and find out which are the best rosemaries for hiding things. Rosemaries come in all sizes, little ones, flat to the ground ones, and big ones. So we're going to look at 4 big ones that are great for hiding walls and fences, air conditioner units. I love hiding air conditioner units with some of these rosemaries. So let's get started with the tallest one of all, Blue Spires Rosemary. This is definitely one I love to put around an air conditioner unit if I need to hide that in a backyard, because when the unit is firing up, it expels that air and it goes through the air conditioner unit and it smells so great. Next up is Ingram, a little more round in size, 4 foot by 4 foot, great for walls and fences. Kind of a lavenderish flower, really nice all-purpose rosemary. And then my favorite of all the rosemaries, Tuscan Blue. This one is not quite as tall as Spires, but still gets about 5 feet tall, more vertical than side to side. Beautiful blue flowers, definitely nice, great for cooking, hiding all kinds of things. I love Tuscan Blue. Majorca Pink is also a really nice rosemary, more upright than side to side, and has pink flowers. So it's, again, a really kind of neat plant for those kind of uses. So there you go, my 4 favorite rosemaries for hiding things. I hope you've enjoyed this entire series on rosemaries. If you missed some of the previous ones, go ahead and click on the description and it'll give you a list of all the rosemaries in these videos. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. My 2 minutes are up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.